So today we are going to see how to convert a string to date, dates to period. So remember guys, our concentration is converting string to dates, again dates to period. So first, already I have imported a package called Pandas. So I have continued today. So just concept is converting string to dates and again dates to periods. So this is all about list. Inside a list, I have a string. So this is my value. Now I want to convert it to date. The string should get converted to date. So D equal to PD dot to date time dates. This is dates. See, now you got date time. Can you see? Now that date has to get converted into period now. PRD equal to D dot to period. Frequency M. M means month ending. Month ending. Remember, month ending. This is second. PRD. So meanwhile, what it has taken? It has taken only the month part, right? Can you see? There is no date. Then I want to take it as a date. Now see, PRD dot as frequency D. D means date. Nurula koddiga meer mute pettira. So when I say day, so it takes month ending. Can you see? If I guys say Y will convert into year now. Only year. Am I clear? Now, the same thing I want to convert it into timestamp. Timestamp advantage is it will take the first day of the month. This is timestamp. PRD dot to timestamp. Say 1st February. Now, if I want to get it into the end date. PRD dot to date to timestamp. How equal to end? 28 along with hours also. Can you see? So entirely we can convert from one part to the other part with the support of time series. So you guys can start writing from here. Converting street. Same yesterday's continuation I'm doing. So in this case, when you're starting newly, you have to import a package called import pandas as PD. అది నార్మల్గా రాయాలి కదా ప్రతిదాన్ని. దీని మీద పాండాస్ మీద ఫైల్స్ పంపించాను కదా, పాండాస్ అవన్నీ చేసి పంపించాను. No. As frequency అంటే డేట్ వైజ్ వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ పీరియడ్ ని డేట్ కింద మార్చి, దెన్ ఇయర్. Keyword PRD dot as frequency is a function. Actually, as frequency is a function which comes with pandas. అయిపోయిందా రాస్తాడు, ఇంటికి వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ వరకు నువ్వు రాస్తావు చూడు, ఇక్కడి నుంచి రాయాలి కదా. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ రాస్తావు, ఇప్పుడే దించండి. Guys, those are online over.
Yes, sir.
Over. Completed. To underscore timestamp, how equal to end? End means ending date, month ending date. Now in the same case, guys, like I just want to talk about a concept called time offset. Offset means this you can take it hourly base, day wise. So time offset. If I say PD dot time delta 3 days, so it takes 3 days, 0 hour, 0 minute, 0 seconds. But if I say 3M, ఇవాళ అటెండ్ అవ్వడం మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు. PD dot time delta 3M. 3M means 3 minutes. 0 days, 0 hours, 3 minutes. Now let's take a small example. Some days and some minutes you want to specify. Time delta 4 days, 3 minutes. This is only the simple point, but now the calculation, how do you do it? See the calculation. PD dot, say example 9th July 2022. Timestamp is 9th July 2022, 12 hours. Plus PD dot time delta, 1 day. 1 day means you are going to add 1 day. That means the output will come 10th July. 3 minutes. Can you see? 1 day, 3 minutes. So 9, that is 10th July, 12 hours, 3 minutes will be the output. Say 10th July 2022, 12 hours, 3 minutes. Got it? First write down time offset. Amount minutes, day and day. అది కరెక్ట్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అది నేను వాడింది టైం స్టాంప్ తో, టైం డెల్టా తో కాదు. దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. PD dot, this is something time delta. ప్రతి functions కి words మార్కొచ్చు. So you have to concentrate the functions. Functions are very important. Down. Good. Now, this part is little bit concept. This concept is little bit different from what you have learned till. Now, here we are going to focus on indexing date. So I said dates is equal to PD dot date range 12th Jan to 14th June. Frequency M. Now see date range. Now when I say dates, so it has taken up to 31st May. Can you see? Because -1. Now I want to take some series value. What did I say? Atemp equal to PD dot series. These are my values. Index will be dates. So this will be the index. See. Same one more variable I'll take it. Taking as stemp. Stemp equal to PD dot series values. Again, index is same. So there are two series here. Now what I'll do, I'll create a data frame from that series. Temps equal to PD dot data frame. Auckland will be displayed with the value of Atemp. Delhi will be displayed on the value of Stemp. Print your temp value. See, Auckland, Delhi. Can you see a data frame? After this, suppose you want to print only the value of Auckland or Delhi, whatever you say. Temps of Auckland. Right? Now, guys, I want to create a new column with the difference of the two values. So I'm going to say temps of this is a new column. Temps of Auckland minus temps of Delhi. Now you print temps. See, 100.2 minus 89, that becomes 11.2. Now I want to delete the last column. After deleting temps, the value got deleted. So a series having an index value with date value, that series got converted into data frame, right? You have added a new column in the data frame and you have deleted a data from the data frame. Just to show you that how even you can delete a column also. You guys write down. Indexing date. రావట్లేదు. Down. 37 అయిపోయింది కదా. Eight over, sir. What? What? Pradeep, A temp is a variable, S temp is a variable, which I have taken some series values and indexing with a date column. So I have just generated a date column. So you can see here. Already there is a date column. These values are there. So I said A temp equal to PD dot series. These are my values, but the index is date. This is one variable. This is the second variable again which contains a different value. Again, index is date. So again, the index column is date, but the values are different. Now, in order to join these two series, I have created a data frame. pd.data frame, Auckland, Delhi. And the value of Auckland will be ATEM, the value of Delhi will be STEM. So I have created a data frame. With this data frame, I just want to print the Auckland value. So I've got the Auckland value. After getting Auckland value, what I've done, I've created one more column in this data frame, that is diff, to get the difference between Auckland and Delhi. Was it clear? So now there is one data set which I'll show you. We are going to focus on the data set now. Just few things which we'll see. There is a data set called stocks, which I'll share you today. In this stock data set, I have a column called date, but this date column contains a value string. When you have a string, you cannot analyze the data. Last also I said it. Whenever the date contains string format, it cannot be analyzed. You have to convert it into date format. So how do you do that? Let us try to execute this. I'm just trying to read the data. This is already uploaded in my Jupyter. This is nothing but with stock data set. So try to understand. df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv stocks dot csv df dot head. So I got the date. Am I right? But if I say d is equal to df of, df dot, date should be in capital, of 0 value. That means I want to just check it out which data type it is. What it is saying? So you cannot analyze the data. What do you have to do now? You have to convert it into date format, right? So I'll say now, date should be in capital, guys, remember, because the column itself is compulsory with a capital letter. So pd dot read underscore csv parse date. It's a keyword. It's a keyword which convert your date column into date format. Normally you say df dot head. Now the same thing you try it here. What happens? Now what is this? Does it showing str? No, it is showing that it is in timestamp. That means that date which is in string format got converted into date type. Is that clear? So guys, first today you try up to this point. Tomorrow we'll continue with the same thing. Down 45 over. PDF పంపించాను కదా మీకు అలాగే ఉండదు సార్ ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి అలా ఏకుంటది అని ఉంటుంది
ఈ ఫార్మాట్ కో యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్ అలా మన డేటా
ఏది
చార్ట్లో చూడండి ఇప్పుడు పంపించాను
Good evening, sir.
అర్థం కాలేదు
Good evening, sir.
యా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టెల్ మీ
Yeah, sir. Where are we going to apply this method in a real form?
That's what now if a company give you a data set with a date column. So that date column will not be in a date format. You have to convert that date format into, that means string format into date. On that case, you need this all support.
So, sir, are we going to do such projects like this in a real form?
Yeah, when you start machine learning, you will be understanding all this.
Are we going to do that one under this program?
See, right now we are understanding, we are trying to focus on the data analytics syntax. When we use this syntax in machine learning, you can understand the real-time scenarios. Pradeep, alagaithe ivvalem Pradeep. One second.
Yeah.
Our format correct kaadu. df of date equal to date time avadu. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. I think I thought that we are going to do one example of in a real form.
Which example?
What we are doing currently.
Right now we are concentrating on the data set called stock data set. In that we are trying to read the value, but the data is in string. We have to convert that string into date format. For that we are using this concept.
Yeah, I understand what you are trying to say, but what I'm trying to say here is that if we are going to do the entire things that we have done in this process, whether we are going to do it in a real life form.
You're talking about the live environment.
Yeah.
A live environment is what? The company is going to provide you the data. You have to analyze it. There are various methods which I have explained you. Either you can generate a graph. That depends on the data set. Overall concept is how you get the data, what the client needs. On that understanding, you can do all this syntax.
Okay.
Okay. Right, guys. So we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, then bye.